In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp liquid glass update not working problem. For fixing this problem, you must use to WhatsApp latest version. For getting this, go to Play Store, search WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp. Now up to date your WhatsApp if available any update version from here. Now go to your phone settings, then go to apps or application management. Click on it, then click on see all apps. Now find out WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, tap on force stop, then OK. Then the storage and cache, clear cache. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open WhatsApp. Now I hope that this method fix WhatsApp liquid glass update not working problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.